Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed my home entertainment show 2021 coverage. There's a lot of work being, quote, press this time and doing videos instead of just being an attendee. But it was also fun and rewarding, and I hope you enjoyed me sharing some of the interaction that I would normally have as an attendee with the exhibitors. So I tried to make it more raw footage, not anything planned and anything where I'm making people move out of center positions or scheduling anything after hours. Maybe just like I would be attending. So hopefully you enjoyed that and got something valuable out of it. It was definitely a cool show from an attendee standpoint for sure. And the reports I got from the exhibitors, even though the attendance was a little light, I think they all were happy they did it. But if you like that, just wait till you see what's coming. I flew straight from Long Beach to Vegas to meet the 3MA guys at a customer's home in Vegas that was doing 3 systems, mega systems. And we spent 4 days there installing these systems. So I have a ton of videos to share with you. This is going to be the first one, so I'm just giving you this little preface. You're going to want to pay attention to every part of this and see behind the scenes what very few people get to see, the install of these systems and hear them in a home setting, which you can't beat that compared to show settings, which are just too many compromises and noise floor issues to be able to optimize performance. So hopefully you enjoy this series. But even on top of that, if you haven't subscribed, you need to subscribe, because I've got another home install that I went to this week. Rockport Cygnus and Rel G1s, a pair of those, in a renowned artist's home who's been an audiophile for 50 years. You're going to want to see this home, because not only is it beautiful from an aesthetic standpoint being an artist, but being a 50-year audiophile, putting all kinds of things that I've never seen before in a room. Just trust me on that. You've never seen some of the things that he's done in his room. So on top of that, even my home speaker build project, I finally got the drivers and the crossover. So I'm going to be installing those as well. Sorry, I'm so backlogged on everything. I don't know when I'm going to get all these out. I am starting a membership part of the channel. YouTube says I qualify. So I can pre-release to members, and some other benefits I'm going to be giving members for, I think, like $5. So feel free to sign up for that and support the channel if you feel like it. And I guarantee you'll get your money's worth in that content alone. But without further ado, let me take you on step 1 of the Vegas Systems 3-system install. I think you're going to like this. And if you're a car fan, as much as an audio fan, you'll be just as impressed. All right, first meal in Vegas is a little Korean barbecue. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, a little barbecue. Whoa. I think they're feeling the heat through the video. Nice. All right, you guys recognize the 3MA crew, huh? Johnny and Luis. Just getting started. When you can line up Lamborghini keys, Ferrari keys. This is just one of many systems we'll be installing this week. All right, we're at a 3MA customer's house for an install. But before we get to audio, we're gonna do a little car. Beautiful home. 2 garages, and you'll see why he needs 2 garages. McLaren for the Wilson. Let's see what's in here. Wilson Maxx lower portion. It's going to be the Wilson Maxx upper portion. And this is just one of the systems we're putting in this week. Another one is going to be B&W Nautilus. Maxx upper here. So a bunch of gold note stuff too, huh?
Yes. Does that mean don't use a crowbar? Is that what I said? Yeah.
Or no crowbars included.
Oh, okay. Could be either.
Let's take a look at it out in the sun.
That's it. It just looks like that.
Yeah. Because
Get a better idea of the color. Very unique color. Just really badass. The contrast with the black with this color is really cool. So the Maxx is modular, for those that aren't familiar with the Wilson.
Let me take my paint shoe out before you do the video, bro.
Johnny's looking fly.
It's this certification or something.
Front.
They actually well packed. I mean, the original factory packaging is pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, this looks a lot better now. I like what y'all did.
You should have done the one.
Yeah, y'all did a good job here.
Yeah, I know.
I have a house, that's why.
So these two couches originally were facing each other, but then was going to present a problem with how you set up the Wilsons or any speakers, because they were basically facing each other where the speakers would go at an angle. So the first part is, laying out the room, understanding where the gear is going to go, cable lengths, and, give him also a sweet spot, because before there was no center chair here. It was two angled chairs. These were angled here. So it's all about rearranging the room for maximum performance. It's a pretty serious mirror.
Quick here. Yeah.
Louis, we should move.
Yeah,
Let me move this first, then we move it out.
Heavy.
Yeah. We want to move it out before we put it. Don't want to touch the car,
And the floor.
The floor is good.
This one got wheels on it, right?
Yeah, I don't believe it. There's wheels inside, but not here.
Yeah, we'll make it a lot easier.
Get your pink shoes out of the way, all right?
You're gonna wear those clubbing tonight, right?
It's what's that, STP or what?
STK.
Look at that.
Dinner at STK tonight.
Yeah. If it didn't, I would suck.
Oh man, this is gonna look really nice.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Now you can see the speaker, but we're gonna put this. We're gonna change it to the spike.
Yeah. They have the jack.
Yeah. It's just a 30.
Yeah.
Great private community here out by Red Rock in Las Vegas. Very hot today. We're actually under a heat warning of 106 degrees, but you know what they say, it's a dry heat. But we're in the Red Rock area off the strip, quite a ways. Not too far from the Red Rock Resort for those familiar.
I'll put you the other garage.
Oh, you make double the money? Wood's so expensive now.
Yeah.
So-
Sell the wood.
Go back up the cutter truck.
Like boxcar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I guess we'll get the rack and stuff.
So this will look really impressive. Very high ceilings.